Extreme builder Adam Chapman is just back from his first hunting trip of the season. He hasn't touched his remote cabin build in a month.
We kind of stopped and just dropped everything because I was guiding bear hunts down southeast Alaska and Copper River Delta area. So that kept me busy. It was super hot. Quite a different time after logging in the snow, but we got all the logs hauled in, over 100 I think. Perfect! Now it's time to sling some logs and make some noise.
Adam's build site sits 1,000 feet up the steep side of a hill.
The build site still has the same issue. Access is too difficult to deal with right now.
The National Weather Service has issued wildfire warnings for a large area of Alaska, including Anchorage and Fairbanks, as low humidity and high temperatures persist across the state.
Alaska is on fire. Record high temperatures are causing wildfires to rage through state forests and cities, while unusually high winds have them spreading fast. In south-central Alaska, just 300 miles from Adam Chapman's build site, 8,000 acres are burning.
The forest fires are an issue right now. They're always a concern. You spend all your time creating something or making a nice homestead, and then it can all just be taken away from you. This is a big stress right now this time of year.
I would just pick this engine up from the Cosmo station so that we can have a engine nearby our job site.
Adam's entire team is on edge. But even so, Martin, the youngest brother of the Chapman clan, can't help but play a joke.
When we get a little closer, we're going to scare them with the siren.
Let's see what the scoop is. What, did you steal us a fire truck?
Both of Adam's brothers are volunteer firemen and are now on call day and night.
And here's all the fittings, chainsaw, kit.
The remote Alaskan fire truck was acquired from the state to serve the community of McCarthy.
It's a scaled-down version of a regular forestry truck, highly mobile in small rural areas where driveways are small and tight.
The nearby willow fire was started by lightning, and high winds have been pointed toward Adam's log yard.
I don't have any insurance. If the fire started here, we would pretty much lose everything on the job site. It'll be a little peace of mind to have the truck sitting close by and ready to go.
But there's work to do in spite of the danger.
So what are we doing next?
Well, you can secure that fire truck wherever it's supposed to be, and I'd like to try and get at least 2 of those 20-foot timbers milled out. If this extension works, we'll be golden.
Better work.